So, first topic, Ramayan. Poor dude. Oh, that's me, by the way. So, why am I so irritated with what's been going on in my country, which I love right now? I am trying my very best to be the best version of myself, at the same time, shed away all my hypocrisy, all of it within me, to see everything from everyone else's shoes as well. Which means that not only I can be the victim for everything, sometimes, maybe knowingly or unknowingly, I might have not heard, hurt someone. I'm sorry to all of them, and I'm sorry to all of them who might get hurt by my words. I'm genuinely sorry because Advait Vedanta says that there is divine in everything we see. This Maya Nagari is filled with divine. It's the divine incarnate. Whatever name you're gonna call to that divine, it is the divine which we are talking about. So, how can I hate someone who has the same divine essence within them, which is inside me? They just came on this planet to live a different version of divine, which the divine wanted to experience. I came to live my own version. Through this vessel, the divine chooses to have different experience, and it chose this since the beginning and since the end of the time. Time is not linear, it's circular. So yeah, time is not a concept at all. So coming back to the topic, Ramayan. It would be a little bit in Hindi uh, to for me to be more comfortable to be in flow of the topic. And I'm sorry for my Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Assamese, Manipuri, Meghali, Kashmiri, all brothers and sisters from across the country. I'm really sorry if some words do not match because this is my native language. So, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? सब के सब एक से एक हिपोक्रेट है. कोई एक जनरेशन को गाली दे रहा है. पीपल फ्रॉम माई पेरेंट्स जनरेशन आर अब्यूजिंग द जेनजीज फॉर what they have become. The Gen Zs are abusing themselves for what they have become. The people from my parents' generation are abusing each other for they are doing their generation. So everyone is on the path of abusing each another. That's all they are doing right now in a very emotionally charged environment. And why did I choose the topic, Raman? Well, this is one of the first thing that came into my mind, that mostly everyone in India, by everyone I mean everyone and anyone who thinks that India is their motherland, fatherland, whatever you want to call it, but this is your land where you were born and you want to see it prosper, for them at least. Ma Sita is someone who is a divine mother, not the divine mother. So what do you do with divine mother? You be you be you just learn from her and try to embody her and Sri Ram. That's all you do. Perfectly fine for some people, 100%. But while doing so, people tend to be so hypocrite and so blind to others' opinion that they think that their version of Ma Sita is the best version, and other version of Ma Sita is not the, like, it does not exist. It should not exist. They should be banned. Okay. All right. Well, let's start directly come to the hypocrisies. Check it. So, in India, as you know, we have the text Ramayan, mostly circulated by Gita Press in Hindi, and the Valmiki Ramayan, especially has too many translations and texts where the Ravan, the demon lord Ravan, who is wise and whatnot, but because of ego and his lust, he fell to his own demise. That is the story we all know. There, he explicitly explains word by word the defines through his lustful eyes the body of Ma Sita. Well, if he does that, and if someone is just stating a fact that it's written in a book that Ravan is defining Ma Sita with his eyes, with his lustful eyes, suddenly too many people in this country will take a stake, a bow, and, well, quite literally, sometime they want to, but through their words and whatnot, that their life should be destroyed to just state the obvious what's written in the Valmiki Ramayana, that how Ravan described Ma Sita. But at the same time, look at the sheer hypocrisy. Now we'll talk one by one. Look at the sheer hypocrisy in this one. Ravan, he described Ma Sita in a certain way, in very lustful eyes, and right here in this same country, there is a dude, a politician, exactly named Ravan. No one is bothered to say anything to him. Why did he take that name, Ravan? Okay. And if someone just points out that, look, there is this written in Valmiki Ramayan, and suddenly the whole crowd will go and take the most easily accessible, the lowest hanging fruit, and beat the shit out of that guy or girl who has an opinion about how, about what is portrayed, or just stating the fact that how it is portrayed in the book. But no, there is the whole human being roaming around on your streets with that name, who who was kind of a demon, who saw your mother, your own mother, our mother, as that, and people are okay with it. First, second, like, right now there will be a movie with the same name, Ramayan, and everyone is outraging over it, that this is not this is not that. To all of you, just breathe a little, just breathe, let it come. If you like it, give your money. If you do not like it, don't give your money. That's all there is. That's all there is. Nothing else. Close it, move on. Close it, move on. Trust me, move on. It helps a lot. And second, I have seen too many people outraging on that movie on religious ground now. That some Ram Leela, someone who does Ram Leela in some samiti or something, now they are outraging. Why? Because they want to see the movie first, and then they want to tell the creators that, okay, this is okay for public consumption, now you can. Okay, so where was your outrage when our beloved Ram Mandir was built after 500 years, and the people who were managing it stole the donated money? Where was your outrage? I never saw you guys, but I saw you guys doing that same outrage on the internet for this movie, where, and up until now, there has no the creators are very careful this time to not hurt anyone's intention. So, emotions, sorry, I said intention, emotions. Just look at the damn movie. Just watch the movie and move on with your life. And if you are really outraging that much, just go and outrage. Ask our own government who's silent on that. Why don't you ask it? Why don't you ask it? And now someone will come, oh, this government, that, this. No, I am doing this issue based. I know that Ram Mandir was built because of the government who is in power right now in this country. And if I say this, now I'll be Godi media. If I do not say this, I'll be Librandu. If I say that, I'll be a closet fascist. If I do not say that, I mean, come on, guys. Do you guys do not have anything better to do right now in your own life? If you are watching the news channels and everything just for entertainment, so be it. Then do not engage in them. Have fun. Have fun in that, and just have fun. That's it. No need to engage in that. But I see the discourse, the internet discourse at least. Earlier, I was not concerned because that was not even 1% population of the entire internet. But lot of people do not know that through Meta, what USA is trying to do, that China was trying to do when it got banned with their TikTok. Now they are doing the same thing with Meta, trying to track our psychology, pushing algorithms for very precise, creating echo chambers and whatnot. And everyone has heard this, but no one wants to admit when it comes to themselves. Why is it? Why is the hypocrisy? If you really want to change the society, first change yourself. I'm trying to change myself. If you really want to change something in this society for the better, to everyone who's listening, even the ones who have lived their life for more than 50 years, you can change too. You can change too. In at least the remaining part of your life, till till that time, till you are here on this planet, you can still change and be the best version of yourself, the better version of yourself. That's all I'm asking, I'm pleading you to do. Give that divine inside you the best experience possible. Stop giving your freedom. Stop giving your freedom, the freedom of your thought, to the algorithm. Please, I beg you, because this world is really very beautiful and you would enjoy it more if you just disconnect. Thank you.